What is up, YouTube community? Back with another video. Not a milestone video, but a video nonetheless. And if you remember my last upload, we went to Pennsylvania, did some camping, got the Jeep dirty, went to Rausch Creek, did some trails, and today we're going to wash the Jeep. Apparently, it's been dirty, so I did a light power wash with no soap just to get the dirt off. And I've been driving like this for the past 2 weeks, but I still have remnants of Rausch Creek. I'm not sure if you could see it, but there's some dirt still and some ugly, dirty stuff up in the wheel well. Again, not sure if you could actually see it on camera, but I think you see some stuff over here. It needs a spa day. And so we're gonna do that. But before we do that, something cool has happened. It's only been about 2 weeks, but I got some Jeep mail. I think I know what it is. Maybe you guys have an idea of what it is, but I figure we'll do it for the video. Let's find out together and we'll open it up. You guys game? I'm game. Let's do it. All right, let's get into it. Try and do this one-handed, but got a letter. Congratulations on earning your badge of honor. I guess it's a letter describing your achievements. More of the same thing. Vice President, head of Jeep, Jim Morrison, thank you very much. And then there is the badge of honor for Trail 11. It's pretty neat. So I figure you could put it on your Jeep or maybe use it as a keychain, but you can put it on the Jeep. So it's definitely got me thinking about those other 2 trails at Rausch Creek, which I'll eventually get to. And then maybe just doing some East Coast traveling and collecting badges of honor as I go up and down the East Coast with the 392. What do you guys think? It's great for content, it's great for more videos. So if you guys are game, I think I'll start setting those up and maybe take you along and start documenting these trips and collecting badges of honor. So if you guys are game, yeah, definitely subscribe and sign up and we'll get more videos going. But yeah, let's get back to the purpose of the video. All right, so let's get to it. So normally I don't do a wash like this all the time. I only do it when we go out to the trails and the Jeep gets really dirty, but I'll show you what I use. Start off with the wheel cleaner. I start to agitate the wheels and clean them off. Obviously we use the shampoo. The shampoo's great. We have their foam cannon. As you can see, some of the older shampoo is in there, but it's still Adam stuff. But I use that with power wash just to get the vehicle really, really clean and get that dirt inside the paint. And I also have their glass cleaner and then some tire shine. As you can see, it's pumpkin spice, just like the shampoo. I got that over the fall. I'm still using some of the older products. So I now broke it out for the summer. It's great. I love pumpkin spice. And then I have some of their older product, which is ceramic boost. I don't normally put a lot of tire shine because it's a Jeep and you know, I've heard not so great things about tire shine, but I do it once in a while. It gives it a nice little polish, not too wet. It gives it a good look. It lasts a couple of washes, at least it lasts for me. And then I'll do it every so often. Oh, and last but not least, we have bucket and then one of their washcloths. This is the wool one. I like this one. It really works if your brush is wet. That way the soap could kind of flow and run through the wheels a little easier. And then another thing I like to do is hit the metal with the brush. And the wheel cleaner as well too. Not a lot, just a little. All right, so once we wash the wheels and we brush some of the metal, I start to hit it with water again, just to kind of get that dirt off. I'll get the undercarriage as well. So once we're done spraying it down with water, we use the foam cannon. This thing is going to just cover this whole Jeep in this white soap. It's awesome, I love it. Worth the investment, great stuff. So what I love about the foam cannon is if you could see how much it covers the paint with soap, and then it just starts to drip down. You go with your wool mitt, so it's smooth and silky, and you could just get your car clean, quick and simple. All right, so now that she's soaped up, we're gonna turn on the power wash and rinse her down. All right, once we're done with the drying process, we jump straight into the detail process, which is the ceramic boost. Just spray it on, give it a one over on the car, and that's basically it. It's pretty simple. All right, so the Jeep is washed up, ready to go, looking pretty as hell, ready to get dirty again. Smells like pumpkin spice thanks to Adam's polishes. If you have any suggestions on any type of content that you want to see, obviously drop a comment below and subscribe. And thanks for watching. As always, peace.